The town of Oyster Creek started out as a sleepy, early 20th century fishing village. The town consisted of quaint little structures. Most of them were made from PICO Christmas village buildings. Much like the real world, the railroad grew, and the town fell victim to progress and development. The original town was replaced with much larger mid-20th century PICO brick structures. The old buildings were slated for sale at the next Garden Railroad swap meet, but it was difficult to part with the reminders of the railroad's quaint early days, so the buildings were unceremoniously dumped on an outdoor storage unit, along with unused garden supplies. After 10 years of neglect, the bright colors on the buildings had faded, and the plastic windows were brown and broken. But these naturally aged structures were a great basis for building Ghost Town. In fact, the only reconditioning necessary was to board up some windows, break a door off the hinges, and sparingly apply a wash of thinned gray or brown acrylic paint here and there. A trip to the junk box brought a wealth of details. It provided wagon wheels, old weathered barrels and crates, tombstones, a watering trough, a couple of coyotes. The antlers from an old Christmas ornament provided a set of stag horns. Even the cacti were transplanted from another garden. The new ghost town has lots of character. It was quick, inexpensive, and requires virtually no maintenance. In fact, it improves with age. This simple recycling project has added years of life to the old town buildings and has also become one of the favorite tourist attractions on the railroad.
To see how the ghosts are animated, check out my video on solar-powered animated figures for the garden. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like, share it with your friends, and as always, thank you for watching.